First, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them just enough to break up any clumps. When the texture becomes smooth, add your sugar and keep mixing. Now, add a touch of vanilla and the fresh zest of orange and lemon. Drizzle in the honey. Stir again and add your milk, mixing only until everything comes together. Next, sift your flour in 2 stages. Add it gradually, mixing on lowest speed or folding by hand. Pour in your melted butter very slowly. Let it blend into the batter until smooth and silky. Cover the surface of the batter completely with plastic wrap. Press it down so it touches the batter, then let it rest anywhere from 5 hours to overnight. This rest is what gives madeleines their beautiful. Before baking, coat your madeleine models with melted butter and a dusting of flour to make them perfectly non-stick. Transfer your batter into a piping bag and fill each mold with about 24 grams of batter. Keep them all even. Bake at 175 centigrade for 2 to 12 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new recipes.